what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this app or this item is not available to you in your region or maybe in your Play Store. What you could do instead is by heading over to your settings, scroll below, select apps. The settings might work or might not work for some people, however, let's go ahead and try it. Here search for Google Play Services or simply Play Store. So type in Play Store, launch your Play Store, tap three-dot icon, select Uninstall Updates. It will ask you if you would like to revert to factory settings. Head over to Remove. Once done, select Google Play Services. Tap on Storage, clear the cache. Now once, head over to your Play Store, search for the application and see if it changes anything. If it's still not working, then try using a VPN. In my case, I usually use this VPN. So go ahead and install this. And once you have installed it, let me go ahead and launch it. And once this has been launched, try and search for the application which you would like to download, and it might work. Thank you for watching.